Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. This video is going to be about the French alphabet. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alphabet in French is called l'alphabet. Remember that the T in the end is not pronounced and the pronunciation ends on E. I would like to tell you some general rules about the French alphabet. Similar to the English language, French alphabet also has 26 letters. Additionally, there are 5 accent marks. Out of 26 letters, 6 are vowels and 20 are consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and Y. Vowels in French are called une voyelle and consonants are called une consonne. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Like in English, capital A is uppercase. Similarly in French, capital A is in majuscule. Small a is in minuscule, means lowercase. If you like this video and want to see more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to get notified about my future videos, press the bell icon below. See you in the next one.